if your backyard became the place everyone wanted to hang out? Today, we're showcasing 10 stunning backyard transformations that prove you don't need a huge budget to create a beautiful outdoor living space. From modern pergolas and cozy patios to relaxing fire pits and incredible garden makeovers, these ideas are practical, stylish, and easier to recreate than you might think. Welcome to Garden Dream Project. If you love backyard makeover ideas, outdoor living inspiration, and smart design tips that actually work, you're in the right place. Whether you're planning a complete backyard renovation or just looking for simple ways to upgrade your outdoor space, this video is packed with ideas you can use. Let's jump in and explore these amazing transformations. Have you ever looked at an empty backyard and wondered how much potential is hiding out there? This backyard makeover is proof that you don't need a massive budget to create an incredible outdoor living space. By adding a modern pergola, comfortable outdoor seating, layered lighting, and a few architectural plants, this once-forgotten yard becomes the perfect place to relax, entertain friends, or enjoy family dinners outside. One tip that makes a huge difference is creating separate zones for lounging and dining. It instantly makes the backyard feel bigger and more functional. Small design choices really do have a big impact. So, if this were your backyard, what would you add first? A fire pit, an outdoor kitchen, or maybe a cozy swing? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear your dream backyard makeover ideas. Sometimes the smallest update completely changes the personality of your backyard, and this feature wall is a perfect example. Instead of tearing everything down, the old breeze block wall gets a fresh coat of paint and instantly becomes a modern architectural statement. The clean black and white contrast adds depth, texture, and a designer feel without a major renovation. Pair it with simple landscaping, stylish patio furniture, and warm lighting, and suddenly the whole outdoor living area feels custom-built. Here's a tip. Whenever you're refreshing an older backyard, don't overlook existing structures. A little creativity can save thousands of dollars while giving your space a unique character. Now I'm curious, which would you choose for your own backyard? A bold painted feature wall or a natural wood accent wall? Drop your pick in the comments. Want to give your backyard a custom look without spending a fortune? A hand-painted outdoor mural might be exactly what your space needs. Instead of leaving a plain wall unnoticed, this colorful feature instantly becomes the focal point of the entire backyard makeover. The soft, modern design adds personality while making the patio feel warm, inviting, and one of a kind. Pair it with comfortable outdoor furniture, layered greenery, and a few decorative planters, and you've got a space that feels straight out of a home design magazine. Here's a simple tip. Choose neutral colors with one bold accent so your mural stays timeless instead of trendy. Sometimes it's the artistic details that make a backyard unforgettable. So tell me, would you paint an abstract mural, a nature-inspired design, or keep it clean and minimalist? Share your favorite style in the comments. Imagine being able to enjoy your backyard whether it's sunny, rainy, or even a little chilly outside. That's exactly why a covered patio is one of the smartest outdoor living upgrades you can make. By adding a modern pergola with a clear roof, privacy screens, and comfortable seating, this backyard becomes a space the family can use almost every day of the year. The transparent roof lets in natural light while still protecting the area from the weather, so it feels bright and open instead of closed off. Here's a tip that's often overlooked. Install warm ambient lighting and an outdoor heater to make your patio just as inviting after sunset as it is during the day. It completely changes how often you'll actually use the space. Now I'd love to know, which feature would you add first to your dream-covered patio? String lights, a fireplace, or an outdoor kitchen? Let everyone know in the comments. Here's a great reminder that not every backyard makeover starts with buying something new. Sometimes all it takes is bringing an old piece back to life. This weathered outdoor dining table gets a fresh finish, revealing beautiful wood grain that instantly makes the whole patio feel warm and inviting. It's budget-friendly, sustainable, and gives your outdoor space a custom look you simply can't buy off the shelf. One tip I always recommend is using a high-quality exterior stain and weather-resistant sealer. It'll protect the wood from sun, rain, and everyday wear, so your hard work lasts for years. Plus, a restored table adds so much character to your outdoor living space. So, what's one old piece of outdoor furniture you'd love to give a second chance? A dining table, a bench, or maybe a set of chairs? Share your answer in the comments. Now, this is the kind of backyard transformation that completely changes the way you think about outdoor living. Instead of repairing an old and used swimming pool, the homeowners turned it into a stunning sunken garden filled with lush plants, natural timber, and cozy seating. The lower level creates a private retreat that feels peaceful, relaxing, and surprisingly spacious. It's the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, unwind after work, or gather around a fire pit with family and friends. Here's a design tip that's worth remembering. Use layered landscaping with a mix of shrubs, flowering plants, and different textures to create depth and year-round visual interest. A thoughtful planting plan makes the entire garden feel alive in every season. So here's my question for you. If you had an old pool you never used, would you restore it or turn it into a beautiful sunken garden like this? Let me know your choice in the comments. One of the easiest ways to make a backyard feel more organized and inviting is by adding raised garden beds. They create clean lines, define different areas, and make the entire landscape design look polished and intentional. In this makeover, the raised beds are filled with colorful flowers, lush greenery, and layered textures that surround a cozy seating area, turning an ordinary yard into a peaceful outdoor retreat. Plus, they're easier to maintain and much more comfortable to garden in. Here's a simple tip. Mix evergreen plants with seasonal blooms so your garden has color and structure all year long. It's a small strategy that keeps your backyard looking fresh no matter the season. Now I'm curious, would you fill your raised beds with vibrant flowers, fresh herbs, or a mix of both? Drop your idea in the comments because I'd love to hear how you design this space. There's something special about gathering around a fire pit after the sun goes down. It instantly turns any backyard into a warm, welcoming place where family and friends naturally want to spend more time together. In this outdoor living space, reclaimed brick, natural wood seating, and soft landscape lighting create a cozy atmosphere that's perfect for cool evenings, weekend get-togethers, or simply relaxing under the stars. One tip that makes a big difference is arranging the seating in a circle instead of a straight line. It encourages conversation and makes everyone feel connected. Add a few outdoor cushions and warm throw blankets, and you've created a backyard people won't want to leave. So, what's your ideal fire pit night? Roasting marshmallows, sharing stories with friends, or just enjoying a quiet evening outdoors? Let me know in the comments. Who says you need a vacation to enjoy resort vibes? This Palm Springs-inspired backyard brings that relaxed, luxury feel right outside your back door. With clean lines, natural stone, modern outdoor furniture, sculptural plants like agave and palms, and a bright neutral color palette, the entire outdoor living space feels fresh, open, and effortlessly stylish. The best part is that you don't have to copy every detail. Just borrowing a few design elements can completely transform your own backyard. Here's a tip: stick to 2 or 3 main materials, like wood, stone, and black metal, to create a cohesive look without making the space feel busy. A simple, consistent design always looks more expensive. So, if you were creating your dream backyard, would you go for a tropical resort vibe, a modern minimalist look, or a cozy farmhouse style? Tell me your favorite in the comments. Alright, here's the moment we've all been waiting for: the final backyard makeover reveal. It's amazing to see how thoughtful planning, smart design choices, and a little creativity can turn an ordinary yard into a beautiful outdoor living space that's both functional and inviting. From the modern pergola and comfortable seating to the lush landscaping, feature walls, and cozy gathering areas, every upgrade works together to create a backyard that's ready for relaxing, entertaining, and making memories all year long. The biggest takeaway: you don't have to renovate everything at once. Start with one project, build on it over time, and you'll be surprised how quickly your backyard evolves. I hope this makeover sparked a few ideas for your own home. So now it's your turn. Which transformation was your favorite from today's video? And what project are you planning to tackle first? Let everyone know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more backyard ideas, outdoor living inspiration, and practical home improvement tips.